I just came back from my holidays in Paris. By the way, Paris vlogs coming very soon. And I went to the iconic Lena Situations pop-up store called Hotel Mahfouf, or in English, Mahfouf Hotel again, or in Arabic, Hotel Mahfouf, if you prefer. From the fashion wear, have I been already overbuying? Maybe yes. To the food at the restaurant, to the general atmosphere, I'm gonna tell you all about it. I have bought actually couple things from the store, so we will talk price, sizes, quality. So if you want to know if this particular pop-up or any of her future pop-ups are worth your time and your money, make sure to stick around until the end of the video to find out. For those who are asking, who is Linda Situation? Well, guys, where have you been? Seriously, like, haven't you heard of this French influencer who's been the first French ever who's been invited to the Met Gala? Well, guess what? That's her. Yep, that's right. Not only Lena has reduced the gap between simple people like us and the luxury fashion by debunking and kind of like simplifying all these worlds for us, she has also conquered over 2 million French heart on YouTube over her very popular August vlog, in which she posts a video per day throughout the entire month of August. And she's been doing this for the past 7 years. I know what I'm talking about because I've been following every day in the past month of August, every of her vlog, and I've been doing this already for years. So not only she's funny, she's smart, and she has good taste. And guess what? You can see all of her personality throughout the pop-up, but we'll talk about that later. Lena has been a true source of inspirations since I started this YouTube journey. She's one of those YouTubers who gave me the courage to actually start off on YouTube, and as well as other YouTubers. What I like about her is that she's very close to her audience, and she really tried to nurtures them whenever she can. First thing first, let's talk about the pop-up. This is actually the third time that Lena is making a pop-up. She started last year with 2 already, and this is her 3rd one. Every pop-up had a particular theme. So the first one was Hotel Mahfouf, then there was Hotel Mahfouf Le Chalet, which was more close to Christmas and very wintry inspired, and this one is happening in the summer and is called Hotel Mahfouf La Piscine, which has this California beachy vibe with pool and transat and this really nice atmosphere. So, and you really feel it the moment you enter the pop-up. I haven't had the chance to experiment the other pop-ups because, as you know, I was stuck in China for the past 3 years. So, but I'm glad that I haven't had, because this one was honestly amazing. No queue, the space was huge. It was a place where you could actually spend, if you want, the whole day chill there. There are multiple things, and let's talk about all the things that you can find when you go there. So the first thing that you see when you arrive is this big wide open space with couple stands with food and products that you can purchase. There is a gigantic ball pit in the middle that looks like a pool. You have couple transats. She also offers different board games for you to chill around and play with your friends. So like, the first thing that you see when you come into this pop-up is really how big and spacious it is and how much you don't have to queue that much. I was fortunate enough when I went there, there was absolutely no queue to enter the facilities, which I was very lucky. Besides the outdoor space, what else can you find? Well, you can find a restaurant and a store. Let's talk about the restaurant first. I've already tried the refreshing drinks called the Lobby Boy, which is a sort of like iced peach tea. Now I'm going for the California Glow, which is a smoothie with banana, strawberries, and they added some collagens. And I went for the vegan nuggets and the chicken burger. I love the packaging. It's very up to her branding. I also got this for free because I've ordered the California Glow, which is like some collagen powder. Let's try out this California Glow. Wow, it's quite nice. Well, I forgot to mention, but like the California Glow is also vegan. Almond milk, banana, strawberries. Let's try out some of the nuggets. That's quite nice. These are good vegan nuggets. The fried chicken is actually very crispy. It's good to have like a burger that is not too, doesn't feel too fatty. I understand why now those nuggets are so popular actually. Everything is really cute and comfortable. You can stay as much as you want because there are plenty of spaces, there are plenty of things to do. And on the top of that, this place is pet friendly. Wish I had my dog right now, but I don't. They even have something that you can purchase for your dog, a sort of like pet dessert, which is kind of cute. I just loved the food. She also had salads. I wish I could try everything, but I couldn't, and I think I've tried enough to make my opinion about it. Let's talk about the general atmosphere. For those who don't know, like summer in France is very important because usually people from Paris will travel all the way to the south of France and will enjoy the beach, the sun, swimming and everything, but the reality is not everyone can afford to go on holiday. By offering a kind of like beach vibe to her pop-up, it's almost like she brought the south of France, or at least like California, because here she's inspiring herself from Santa Monica. When you're there, you can really feel that vibe from the color palette, from the furniture that is around. She really tried to bring this very warm and welcoming atmosphere, which I absolutely love. It was also a great place to meet other people who also are like-minded like her, whether you would come with your friends or like me is a solo traveler and just wanted to like be somewhere and end up making new friends. Lena has done a great job into making this place very welcoming. You really feel part of her circle somehow. I happened to run into her when I was there.
Quel goût vous voulez? Qu'est-ce que tu as? Framboise, chocolat, vanille. Chocolat, s'il te plaît. Ah bah, j'adore. Ton pop-up est incroyable. Il est incroyable. Tiens, ma biche.
Coucou Léna. Qu'est-ce que tu as, s'il te plaît?
Moi, mon favori, c'est passion mangue.
Passion mangue. Bah, tu sais quoi, tu m'as eu à passion mangue déjà.
C'est vegan.
Ouais. Ah, pardon, merci.
Je vais pas te le donner dans tes mains comme ça.
C'est pas grave.
Tiens.
Merci. Let's try that thing. Oh my god, so good. That passion mango, man. It's great to know also that when you go to one of her pop-ups, you will possibly see her, and if it's not her, is everyone around her circle. Her dad, that is basically there every day. The little fangirl in me was actually pretty happy. The moment you enter the store, you can feel that she has worked her ass off, from the accessory, from the clothes. The whole design of just the entire place is just totally her style. She's very good at her branding, her personal branding, I would say, from the marketing perspective. The only thing that I would say that is a room for improvement was definitely the communication while you're at the pop-up, because the moment you enter the store, you don't really know how things are going, and the way it works is that first the products are actually displayed, so you cannot pick them to actually go to the counter like you would do in a normal store. And this should have been explained, I think, in a forehand, or like having some signs or something like this to explain how it works. So this was slightly confusing. I was starting to take things and I would realize that actually these are just for display, that if I want to try them, I have to queue in a specific line to ask for trying clothes, and then when I want to purchase them, I have to go directly to the counter, tell them what I want in what size, and then go out and wait by the blue reception, in which they will bring me the bag by saying my name, and then that's it. I think the concept itself is very interesting, although it was a bit confusing at first, I must say. Let me take that big bag. One thing you have to know about her clothing line is that every time that she comes up with the pop-up, the clothes are a limited edition. When it's over, it means it's over. It feels that like whatever you're buying from her is very unique because there are limited quantities. It really makes the product more valuable. Let me show you what I got. So the first thing I got is this beautiful sweater that is like very, very big. Another thing that I forgot to mention, the size labels were quite confusing. This is an S, but when you look at it from afar, this doesn't look like an S. I would say it's very important that you really try the clothes before buying them. This is the beauty, and like it's super thick. It is super warm, very comfortable. It almost feel like a pajama. I just love it, and I cannot wait to wear it during the winter. This green is just my green, I gotta say. This like little polo style like sweater, I just love it. To go with the sweater, I actually bought also the pants in white, which is Oh my gosh, this one is so comfortable. This could definitely be in pajama, and right now I'm literally regretting not getting more of this in other colors. These are the types of details I was referring to. Then we've got this beautiful shirt with written here, written in good quality, Hotel Mahfouf. This one I took it in large because I really wanted to be very big and oversized, like a kind of like a boyfriend shirt. There were no more shorts in my size, so I was not able to take it, but I'm already pretty satisfied by just this. And then I took the same thing, but in the terracotta color, which also come with the shorts. So the terracotta is her very, very limited edition. This one is so pretty. I mean, like, I love this one. Up to the details till the end, she really worked on the branding and design, which I absolutely love. It's a combination of very casual but also like quite summery. You can wear it like either together or totally separately, and the shorts are so comfortable. I was really amazed by how the quality of the fabric is really good. And lastly, I got a t-shirt. She made a similar one when she did her collaboration with this fast fashion store called Jennifer, but the quality and the fabric of this one, it's so much better. Like I really feel like this one is gonna last me longer. Now, let's talk about price. How did all this cost me? Well, it was pricey. I mean, I think I spent probably over 300 euros into clothes, food. I would say food-wise, the prices are all pretty reasonable. Clothes-wise, for somebody who is a single designer and making her own clothes, that is not producing fast fashion and is really trying to provide qualitative products, I would say that the price is pretty fair and reasonable. And I was honestly prepared to pay the price for good quality clothes, and this is something that I'm trying to do more in my fashion lifestyle. I'm really trying to purchase things that are gonna last me longer instead of buying cheap things that I will have to throw away like within, I don't know, a season or two. Overall, for me, going to the Hotel Mahfouf is an absolute go. It's a fun place to have some great food. If you love fashion, you would love the clothes there. The atmosphere is a blast. Like every day they are organizing something for the community. Like, and you don't even have to pay for it. Most of the things are free just for showing up or just for buying one of the things. So I would say it's pretty affordable. I only bought some clothes here, but she also had a high range of like homeware, from candles to accessory for the walls to sticker, which actually I got one of the stickers here. I didn't open it yet, but I will stick it on my laptop eventually. If you happen to be in Paris, or if Paris is in your destination, or if you are already living in Paris, just go there to have a fun time. Go with your friends, enjoy the vibe, enjoy the music. The staff are lovely and super nice. You may run into her or her friends, and this could make even like your day even better. Congratulations again to Lena for improving as she goes and making her pop-ups better and better. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you really liked that video. If you like this kind of format where I actually review things, please let me know in the comment. If you know about Lena's situation, so let me know in the comment. Also, let me know what you think about what I bought. Like, seriously, like, do you think I made actually a good choice? Do you think it's really worth what I paid? Yeah, I would love to know what you think about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned because Paris vlogs are coming very soon, as well as the New York vlog, Marseille, Saigon. Guys, I have a lineups of vlog here coming up, so really hit the notification bell because I'm preparing for you starting next week's 2 videos a week for the next 2 months. So yes, you heard it, I'm back and I'm back hard. Make sure to hit the notification bell to see all those videos coming up. Thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.